welcome to the Astro. In this Python for Astronomy tutorial, you are going to learn two things: that how to fit the spectra of any star or galaxy, and how to obtain the integrated flux out of the model fitted spectra. So we will be doing these stuff in four steps. So first we will be downloading fits spectra from the Sdss website, and you can watch my this video to download the spectra because I am not going to download it again. And second will be we will be reading and plotting fits spectra through the Astropy, a library in Python package. And third will be we will be defining Gaussian model to fit the spectral line. And finally we will be measuring a spectral line flux by integrating the Gaussian model. Okay, so for showing, you can see here that this is a spectra of a galaxy, and the blue plot is the original spectra, and it is continuum subtracted. Okay, and the red plot is your fitted spectra on the lines. Okay, you can see here H alpha line is 6564 angstrom, and you have N2 line, silicon lines, calcium lines, oxygen lines, and H alpha is beta. So we have fitted the line on top of the original spectra, and we have obtained the integrated flux from the spectra, right? So here you can see a much more zoomed version of a particular portion of the spectra. So here you can see that we have lines, and here your black plot is your spectra, and on top of that we have fitted the corresponding lines in form of Gaussian plots, right? So we have to do this stuff with the Python coding by following these steps from 1 to 4. So stay tuned in my next video to learn this stuff. Thank you.